Hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah, we're on the beach right now. We ate at this really cool waffle place this morning. Oh, that's a pretty shell. I'm collecting shells. And my glasses have turned all the way dark. And it's annoying, but whatever. So we're on the beach walking in Texas. And now, oh, there's more. It's like a little orange. There's so much food and trash on this beach. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, and I'm just disgusted at bottle lids, and maybe this caused me to stop drinking plastic bottles because this is a mess.
It's gross. We need to keep our beaches clean and our, I don't know how many bottle lids we've seen. This is a public service announcement. Stop littering. It's disgusting. Oh, there's a granola bar wrapper. Another bottle cap.
It's just
Hundreds. Yeah, it's bad. What is that? That looks like a skeleton of a bird head. I don't think it is. It's just a stick that looks like it.
That's gross. Stop littering, people. Keep our planet clean, please.
There's just a random piece of broccoli on the beach.
a lot of trash on this beach.
Yeah, there's a Popeye's chicken cheese, people. Stop littering.
And all the lids.
And a bunch of lids from cans. This is disgusting. This is an absolute disgrace. If you litter, you should not be allowed outside. But yeah, just random piece of beach broccoli. Guess if we get hungry, we'll have a little snack.